lovely people, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be trying to recreate a closure wig, and I will be using hair from Queen Weave Beauty. So a little bit about the hair. Queen Weave Beauty is a 100% virgin hair vendor, and they have more than 11 years of good reputation. They have a very large stock of 10 different textures with matching HD lace closures, frontals, lace wigs, you name it. Almost all hair vendors will tell you they sell virgin hair, but from my experience and their raw material, I can tell you that Queen Weave Beauty is the real deal. For this tutorial, you will need a plastic bag, any or even a shower cap, and that is just to cover the glue from getting to your hair. I also have a dome cap that I got from Amazon, and luckily it came in a color brown, so I think that is perfect because it will be more realistic, and I got it in the size medium. Then I have the hair itself, and this is the closure. It's a 5x5 and it's in 14 inches. Texture, water wave. Vacation, right? Like, it just screams vacation, the bohemian waves. Then what I also have are the bundles, so 3 of these in the length 16 inch. So I was thinking like the best way to get this to lay flat will be to cut the wefts. So what I'm gonna do is, for each and every single weft, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first of all measure. So make sure I measure it like that, like from point A to point B. Then I will go ahead and cut the weft, and then I will follow that by the glue. We'll distribute that, and we are gonna glue that. Okay, so the measurement that we did, I'm gonna place that and just hold that for a second so that it dries. So I am now going to install the frontal, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the glue on the outer parts of the lace, and after that I'm gonna finish with the second bundle. And I learned this method from a YouTuber called The Gloved Natural, and I really liked the way she did this technique, so I'm gonna follow suit as well and just put that on the outer side gently, not ruining the lace itself. I'm so happy with the results. I have just constructed my own wig. So I've cut the lace, and I have to say I'm really impressed with how transparent the lace itself is. I have never worn a lace, like glued the edges with lace, so I'm gonna try and see for the purpose of this video, and I probably think I'll wear it on the side a little bit like that, and we need to maybe shape it a little bit. Let's try to style that a little bit. Just gonna put some mousse. I'm using my old favorite, the Cream of Nature one, and I really like this one. It's almost over, by the way. That's how much I love it. So at the end, I just decided to go for the no parting. Just decided to flip my hair on the side because I felt like it just was more suitable for my face. And I kept one of the edge to finalize the whole thing. Concealer, although I don't think that's necessary because the lace looks good on its own. Like, it melts nice on its own, so just blended well, sitting pretty. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go in with that, but not a lot because I don't think it will be necessary. And the good thing about closures, I only have to worry about that part. Yes, one last thing. What I think I will do is layer this hair a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like for a blunt bob. So I'm gonna take out some of that hair. Oh, sorry, that's my belly. It's telling me it's time to round up this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna like give that kind of shape, you know, like the blunt cut shape. That way, every time I look at it, I just picture myself on the beach, which I am going to, by the way. I just took my vacation a little bit late, but this is the reason why I decided to do this style, because I am going on vacation. I just forgot, I really like this product that I'm going to talk about. It's the Freeze Ease, and it's very good for if you have curly hair like this and you just want to freshen up your hair, you know, on holiday, you don't want the wahala, so you just want to like freshen up. I really like it because it's almost over. I really like it because it really helps freshen up the hair and keeps the curls, it redefines the curls again. So if you have like wavy curl and you're not getting the definition it once had, I highly recommend this product. Yes, I will be blogging more about my holidays, so stay tuned, keep watching my videos. And if you enjoyed this video in particular, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And let me know in your comment section whatever you decide to do on this holiday. How do you feel about the hair? Would you be purchasing it? And as usual, I really like Queen Weave Beauty hair because they have the best quality hair, especially for virgin hair. It's very important that the hair, the quality, and also the, let's say, the lifespan of the hair is worth the money that you spend. I hope to see you again, guys, soon on my next video. Enjoy your holidays. Until then, bisous, au revoir.